twice earlier in the day, so there was a doubt in my mind that we will have fireworks at all in the evening. However, the sky cleared neatly in the evening and we had a sunshine before sundown. To see the fireworks, I went to the Promenade opposite of Shore Road Park in Bay Ridge near 80th Street. And as soon as the sun went down, the July 4th fireworks show started. The last fireworks went off at midnight under the moonlight. Happy birthday, USA. If you like the content, please subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Help the channel grow. Thank you for watching in a week.